What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be getting into a highly requested tutorial. This is my winged eyeliner tutorial. You guys have been asking about this video, DM, in comment sections, in person. She's here. I'm sorry for the delay, but she's here. So pretty much for this tutorial, it's going to be very simple, and I'm going to zoom in all the way so you guys can have a better idea of the method and where I'm placing things, if that makes sense. If you want to see how I like to create my winged eyeliner, keep on watching. Alright, so we're now back. I've completed the left eye and I've cleaned it up and everything. It's really sharp, so I'm very happy with the way this looks. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right eye. So now I'm zooming in really close for this because I really want to make sure that you all are going to see the method and see where things are being placed and things like that. So this is what the left eye looks like. And now we're going to focus on the right. So the first thing I want to note is that you see where your eye has this little crease indent line. That's what we're going to use as our guide. So now I'm going to take my pen, and what I love about this is the way that it's actually shaped. It fits really well into the hand, into your hand, let me say. And now I'm going to begin sketching out the bottom of my liner. I'm going to get this as precise as possible. Alright, so that is our bottom line. I'm not too worried about it being too thick on the end, only because I know that we can always fix it. So now I'm going to go to the very tip of that wing, and I'm going to bring that down onto the lid. It's perfectly fine if you're not able to get it in one swipe. It's better to do short strokes if need be, versus trying to do it in one swipe and messing up. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in the wing. And you definitely want to get as close to your lash line as possible. Alright, so now that we have our right wing done, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean it up and sharpen up the wing just a little bit. So I'm going to take some concealer. I am going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. This is my go-to concealer for the most part. It's one of my favorites. And I'm going to take an angled brush, dip it into that concealer, and then I'm just going to clean up the wing as I see fit. And I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend that out like so. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this wing eyeliner tutorial. Practice makes perfect. Try to keep a steady hand, or as steady hand as possible. It's going to come in clutch for this application for the most part. Don't beat yourself up. Like seriously, this is not something that I learned to do overnight. It's taken me a while to get a crisp wing like this. So just take your time when doing it. Do not rush it. yeah, so that's pretty much it. I really hope that you all enjoyed this wing eyeliner tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.